Oh, now this right here is Southern fried chicken. I'm talking waffles, eggs. Yeah. So you start off that chicken, you wash it real good. Then you season it with a little bit of lemon pepper and then some little can't share that seasoning with you, but you're gonna season it real good and make sure that it's seasoned all over. Then you're gonna twirl it around with your hand. Make sure it's so much seasoning that you can't even see the chicken, like real seasoning. Then you're gonna continue to season that chicken, and then you're gonna rub your hands in so it can be all good and marinated really, really good. Now, Laura is talking in the background. I don't know why she's doing this while I'm doing my voiceover, but yeah, you know how we do. So you see that seasoning right there? Oh, it's looking really, really good. Then you're gonna hit it with a little broth, right? So you're gonna add that chicken broth. You're gonna dump it on there. Yeah, you're gonna give that chicken a little bath. Yeah, you're gonna do it just like that. And then you're gonna come back with that special booyah. Yeah, booyah, booyah, just like that. Yeah, so you're gonna sprinkle a little bit on there. So I'm telling you, this is gonna make your chicken so fire. Now, I didn't show you guys my marinade recipe, but I'll share that with you guys at another date. But you want to go ahead and season up just a little bit more because that chicken broth is going to make it a little bit too wet and juicy. But let me tell you, this is definitely grandma's cooking, okay? So you hear Lori, that's okay. But you also see this chicken is looking really, really good. I'm going to stop talking just a little bit because I want you to see how I'm going to prep it just a little bit. And I'm just going to dip it all in some nice little flour. Then the flour got a little bit of seasoning in it, and it's going to be really good. You can add a little meal if you like to, but I like to use my little chicken flouring mix. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue to batter up this chicken, and then you will notice that I'm going to continue to go back and forth. I don't like to put a lot of chicken pieces into my flour because I don't want them to kind of be sticky, if you know what I mean. So you want to continue to flour, and you want to do it back and forth, and you want to do 2 or 3 pieces at a time. Sometimes I do like to do the grandmother style by putting it like in a bag. I put it in the bag and then I shake up like the flour. Okay, now Ella is talking now, so everybody want to talk during my voiceover. Okay, yeah. And so now you're gonna continue to flour. Yes, you're gonna do it just like that. I got 2 batches, so bear with me. You're gonna get ready to see how they turn golden brown. Okay, they're gonna be like golden brown. Do you know what I mean? Like golden. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm done with that. Okay, so now as you see, I'm working on like batch number 2, and then you will see that I'm still kind of doing it like 2 at a time. It's not really hard, however it does take a little bit of time when you're doing the batter that way. So now I'm getting ready to prepare to kind of shake off the excess flour, and all you really need for your base is a little chicken stock. You need just lots of seasonings, of course, your flour, and then you want to make sure that your oil is getting really hot and already heating to perfection. After that, you're going to go ahead as your oil is getting really hot. How I know that my oil is really hot, I will pinch just a little bit of flour and I will pinch it into my hot oil. And then when I see that flour lift up and it makes that sound, oh, I'm talking about that sound when you hear it in the pan. It's like really, really good. Okay, so now let's fast forward and let's get right into it. Okay, now you're going to see me just finished flouring up the second batch. This is a video of just showing you the step along the way, so you can always fast forward, but just make sure that you do like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm getting all these views. We got like 60,000 views already, and we've been on for about 2 weeks. Look, I have 28 subscribers, but let me tell you, I love all 28 subscribers. Shout out to them. Shout out to all of them who are listening right now, because I appreciate them and all that they do, because they are watching the videos, they sharing the videos, and that's what I'm looking for our fans to do on Bridges House of Fun. We do more than just food. We do basketball. We do games. We do challenge. Where our house is just full of fun. All right. So you will see a lot. We don't. We just really have fun. So again, as you see, the chicken is frying. Oh, it's about to get golden, guys. It's gonna get golden. So just watch the step. I don't like too much chicken. Um, in a pan at one time. So just make sure you're gonna have to do two batches, okay? So about 9 minute mark, as you see, I try to speed up the video just a little bit because I know the flouring process was a little bit steep for you guys, but it's okay. Just continue to watch us to the end because baby, that plate is gonna be fire. Okay, so now I'm flipping the chicken. Oh, do you see that perfection? Oh, I'm using a fork. When I tell you, ooh, it's so good, crispy on the outside. When I tell you, you bite into that chicken, so juicy on the inside. I'm telling you, my family was coming back for more and more plates after this chicken. Let me tell you, it was just that good. But as you see, every piece of chicken that I am turning, it is bomb. It is bomb. Do you see that, Chris? Do you see that, Chris? Do you hear that sound? I don't know if you can hear that sound because I'm doing my voiceover, but when I tell you, it is bomb diggity, baby. Bomb diggity. So I like to kind of put the little fork in there just a little bit. So that oil, I don't have any seasoning, but let me tell you, oh, look at that. Golden brown. Look like grandma cooked it. Oh, then I hit it with the waffles, okay? I didn't do my waffle recipe, but that's okay. Then I lay the chicken on top of the waffles. Oh, my family loved chicken and waffles. And guess what? This was dinner. It wasn't breakfast. It was dinner. They wanted chicken and waffles for dinner. My family is crazy. Bridges House is fun. Go ahead and like and subscribe because you won't see chicken and waffles looking that good. It looked like it came from a diner restaurant. Maybe we'll call this channel Bridges House of Diner. All right, and then look at them eggs. Fluffy. I'm going to tell you guys my secret ingredient to my eggs, okay? Please don't tell anyone, but subscribe and share, okay? So the secret ingredient is milk. Milk, like for real. It makes it so fluffy. I had to show you guys my recipe, but when I tell you, look at this. Oh, so good. So good. I know you want to eat it through the phone. Like, so good. So good. So I sprinkle those herbs on top of it. And when I tell you, oh, look at that syrup. Oh, hot syrup right there. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Make you want to eat it through the phone. Now, that's Bridges House's fun fried chicken on a whole nother note. Like, comment, subscribe, and YouTube. We're out.